Good morning, student. In our grammar, our 12 lessons name is conjunction. So, what is conjunction? The words that are used to join a words, a phrase, or sentence. It means conjunction are joining words. Conjunction are called connector or joining words. Once again, we need the use of conjunction. Conjunction are called connector or joining words. It means conjunction are joining words. Conjunction join two words to sentence or to phrase here. Then we see here the first usage of and. So what is the use of and? And is used to join two words to sentence that have related ideas. Here and is used here. We can join two sentence to words by using and, but the sentence have related idea. It means same. The sentence is same here. Two sentences are same or have related ideas. Same ideas is here. Then we can use here and here. Then we see here the example. Like first example, Ravi is jumping, Rahul is jumping. So here both name is given here. Ravi and Rahul, and both the person is doing the same things here. Is jumping. And also remember one thing, the word that are same here. So we have to use only one time for joining here sentence by conjunction here. Like Ravi and Rahul both different name, but the both person are doing the same one things here. So we have to joining two sentence by using here and here, like Ravi and Rahul. So here both name is given here, and where the both names are here, so on that time we have to change is change into are here, because are is used with plural. So Ravi and Rahul are jumping. So second sentence, the shopkeeper sells oranges, he sells banana. So here the shopkeeper is doing both the thing. The shopkeeper sells orange, he sells banana. So here shopkeeper sells both the things here, orange and banana. But here what related ideas is here, like shopkeeper sells fruit here. So fruit are common things here. It means related idea. So how to joining here? The different things is given here. Orange and bananas are different, and another words group of words are same. So here the both different things we have to joining by and, like the shopkeeper sells is given here. The shopkeeper sells and he sells. So we use here the shopkeeper sells. Then oranges also and bananas. So we have to joining by and oranges and bananas here. And the more words is given, the repeated we have to write only one time. So I have used here he sells include here in the shopkeeper. The third sentence, my father bought fruit, my father bought vegetable. So here my father bought is given here two times here. So by joining, during the times of joining the sentence by conjunction, we have to use here my father bought only one time. But here fruit and vegetables are two different words is given here. So two different words we have to joining by and. So my father bought, I have write only one time my father bought fruit and vegetable. So here fruit and vegetables are joining by and. Like for the example, Dia is girl, Ria is girl. So here is a girls two time is given. So we write here only one time, and the different names is given here. So the different names we have to joining by and. So Dia and Ria are girl. It means both the girls is here. So we have to use are instead of is. Only one girl is there. So we can use here is. But we have joining here Dia and Ria both name. So we have to use are here. Then second example, or. So or is used to suggest an option between two choice here, or give the option here, or conjunction give option to us. Like when the option is there, it means when the choice is there, we can purchase, we can buy, we can do the things when we have the choice here. How we have the choice here? Like first example is given here, run fast, you will miss the train. So here you have to do one thing, you have to run fast, otherwise you will miss the train. So both the things is here, you have to run fast, or if you do not run fast, so you will miss the train. So what you have to do? Either you have to run fast or you will miss the train. It means if you do not run fast, then you will miss the train, and if you run fast, then you will get the train here. So the choice is upon you, depends upon you here. Like second example, you can take a pen, you can take a pencil here. So you have two choice here, what you want here, a pen or a pencil. You can take only one things out of two things here. So here whatever you like, you have the choice here. So, and remember one thing, during the times of joining here, in a conjunction we have to remove the repeated words here. The words that are repeated we have to write only one time. So I have write here, you can take both times is given here. So I have written here one time, you can take a pen or a pencil. So a pen and pencil we have to connect by or. The third example, work hard, you will fail here. Like work hard, you will fail. Work hard, you will fail. It means you have to do the work hard, otherwise you will be fail. So you have the option here, you want to fail, if you do not want to fail, so you have to do the work hard here. So both work is given here, out of two you have to do one thing, you have the choice. So work hard or you will fail. Then sit quietly, you have to sit properly in the classroom or go outside. You have the choice, if you want to sit in the classroom, so you have to sit quietly, and if you do not want to sit quietly in the classroom, so you can go outside of the classroom. So here the choice is depends upon you. So I have joining here, and no words is repeat here, the words that are not repeated here, so we have to write a whole sentence here, sit quietly or go outside here. So or is used when there is a choice here. Then see, it means but is used here, but is used to join words and sentence that have opposite idea. It means here when the opposite is there, one is clever, one is dull, one is tall, one is short, one is hot, one is cold here. Like so one is big, one is small is given when there is a opposite idea is there. Where is opposite idea, on that times we have to use here but here. We can see here example, like first example is given, ice is cold, fire is hot. So here one things, ice we have seen here, that is a cold, and the fire is that is a hot. So out of two, one is cold and another is hot. So here opposite idea is given, so we have to write only but in a first sentence, after we have to write but. So ice is cold but fire is hot. Then second example, Rahul is a clever boy, he is careless. So here Rahul is a clever boy. One time Rahul is shown here clever, and another way he is careless here. He does not pay attention in his work, although he is clever. So out of here one time, so here clever, and another way he is careless. So here the opposite idea is given here. So he is repeated here, he is used for the Rahul, and is already given in a sentence, so we have to write only one time. So Rahul is a clever boy, one sentence same we have to write. Then after one sentence we have to write but, and careless we have to joining the another sentence with the first sentence by using but. So the sentence become Rahul is a clever boy but careless here. The third example, he is poor, he is honest here. So one time he is shown here the poor, but he does not ask money from other. So he is honest, he do the work here. So he is honest. He never take money from other. He never ask back from other. So he is poor, but he need lots of things, although he is honest. So here the two things is different here. So we have to joining opposite idea by but. So he is poor, one sentence. Then we have to write but, and honest we have to joining after but he is repeated here, so we have to write only one time. Then birds can fly. Birds can fly, animals cannot fly here. So birds we have seen here, we have shown here birds can fly. We know that birds can fly, but animals cannot fly. So here the opposite idea is given. One, birds can fly and animals cannot fly. So here we have joining here by but. Here birds can fly first sentence, and then after we have to write bird, and animals cannot fly we have joining the second sentence with the first sentence by using but here. And no words are repeated here, so we have to write whole sentence altogether. Then D, the conjunction D, because is used to give a reason for doing something. In because we have to give reason why the things is happen, why we are doing such a thing, why we are doing such a work here. We have to give the reason for that, right? So we have to give reason here. Like first example is given, I went to the hospital. I went to the hospital. Why you want to went to hospital? Because I was ill. So here you have give the reason, because I was ill here. So between here first sentence after we have to write because, then we have to joining the second sentence. So our answer is I went to the hospital, then because I was ill. I was ill is the reason here, and I went to the hospital is, it is your work only, it is your activity. Why you went to the hospital, why you do such a action, why you do such a things here. So at last after because you have to give the reason. Jay was fail here. Jay was fail, he did not work hard. Why the Jay was fail here? Jay was fail is one action here. Jay has done one action, Jay was fail. Then after we have to write because, and then after reason is given because he did not work hard, because he did not work hard. So Jay was fail here. So it is here we have to give reason why the such things is happen here. The third example, I cannot go to school. Why you cannot go to school? Why not attend the school here? Because it is raining. So after you give the reason why you not attend the school, then we have joining by because I cannot go to school. Then after because we have to write, and then after reason we have to write after because it is raining. Our answer is I cannot go to school because it is raining. Then fourth example, the child is crying. The child is crying. Why the child is crying? Why he is crying here? We have to give the reason here. He lost his book. So our answer is the child is crying because he lost his book. So first example, the child is crying because. So we give the reason here. The child is crying because he lost his book. So here the reason is given. He lost his book. That's why he is crying here. So we can say that here conjunction are joining word. Conjunction are also called joining word. Conjunction are connector. Conjunction joining to words, to sentence, to phrase, and to sentence here. Thank you.